What did you do? Jilana, there are people watching you.
Yep. Okay. Oh, no.
Oh. They don't love me like I love you.
Wait.
They don't love me like I love you.
Wait.
Whoa.
Jade.
What do you... Shisha.
You need that.
You
Yep.
show me.
Me.
You're not mean. You're really kind. So wait. Mix better. Mix. Rose's head fell off.
Look at mine. See? Look.
Right, yours is so good. Now try and get it out without making a hole.
Easy.
Easy.
See?
It's not very easy to
Little.
others.
See?
Actually,
Oh, I need to come there. I need the eyes. I need the eyes.
We're allowed to mix the Play-Doh?
No.
Then what are you doing?
I need the eyes. This. Oh!
My person fell off the table. No. His head keeps falling off.
Give me that G. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it.
No good. Give me that white spoon.
I'll do this.
Did you do now?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
And that one, I didn't make.
Please don't get stuck, please.
Here you go. You want this one? Where are you going? Jilana, sit there where you at. No,
Don't touch
Jay
bro.
Jilana, make your own. Don't touch that.
No.
No. No, you can put it here. So you have your own back. See, there you go.
No, look.
Yep. Okay, yeah, I know. See, I'm just putting it like that.